Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you guys can create your Binge account on the Binge search engine. So first of all, you will have to install Binge in your laptop, and after that you will need to select this sign in option right here. Now you just need to enter your Microsoft account if you have, and if you do not have your Microsoft account, then you can just create a new one right here with this option right here, which is called create one. Now I'm going to select this because I do not have any Microsoft account. So for your Microsoft account, you guys will need to enter your username right here. After that, select on this next button. Now enter your first name right here and enter your last name right here. Now select on this next button. Now you need to select your country or region. As you can see, it is already selected India, but you can choose from this list right here. After that, you will need to enter your birth date right here, your month, day and year. Now select this next button. So now guys, they have sent a code on this Gmail right here, and after getting the code, you will need to enter the code right here, and then you will need to select on next. And just like that, you guys now have successfully created your Binge account. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for this video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and share this video to your friends and family, and thanks for watching.